Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our NuxtJS website designing series. So guys, we have seen that previously we have installed the NuxtJS and integrated the Bootstrap in part 2, and in this part 3 we are going to see that how to work with our component and layouts in NuxtJS application. Okay, so let me just show you that over here. So inside the go to your features, and here you can see that component discovery. So how can we use this component and its layouts and all? So component means like, let's create a header and footer. That means navbar and your footer part, which we can also check in our layouts. So just go to your directory structure and you can find the layouts directory. Why we are using all this, guys? Because to make a global navbar and footer part. Okay, so first we'll be checking with the navbar design and then a simple footer. So guys, now let's get started. So first step, let's go to our here component discovery. Okay, so starting from version 2.13. Okay, it should be higher than the installed version. Okay, so that means it will automatically import all the components for it and create. It will be more helpful for us to create in this format. So guys, and make sure that to activate this feature, set component true in your config file, which means your Nuxt.js. I mean nuxt.config.js file. So let's check that, guys, first. Okay, so go to your nuxt config.js file and you can find that your component is set to true by default. So guys, now you don't know that Nuxt application version. So let's check that Nuxt version application. npm info Nuxt version. Hit enter. Perfect. So it's 2.15. That means it is higher than this version. So now guys, you can just get started with creating your component and your navbar and footer part. So yep, let's close all the files. So first step, guys, you can see a component folder created over here, and these two files we don't require. So let's just remove those two files, delete it. Okay. So now let's create one folder with the name inc, and inside this inc create a file app header dot view, and again inside this app footer dot view. All set. So let's create one more file inside this, for example home.view. So we'll be using in further videos. So to make this directly more clean, so I just created that file. So do not worry about this. So now guys, you need to create a layout so we can make a global thing. So guys, now let's get back, and inside your app header, let's code view with default view. Let's remove the style we don't require. And yep guys, so let me just open and close div. Here we go. And now let's paste that header part inside the, let's go to getbootstrap.com and search for navbar. Click, and yep. So we can copy this design, it's fine for us. Let's copy and paste. Done. Let me just show you. All set. So this is our design, and let's give a name for this. That means app header. So same concept for the footer also. View when name colon footer, I mean app footer. So you can just give one div, and right now let's keep it empty itself. In future we'll be seeing it. Okay, so just leave empty. So yep. Now guys, our components is created app header and app footer. So now let's include this in our layouts. So you need to create one folder. Let's create a folder with the name layouts. So you can just see the documentation if you want to understand how this works more clearly. So you can just go to directory, that layouts directory. So here is one small explanation about this. Okay, so you need to copy this and paste inside your layouts, where you have to paste the file name called default view. Okay, so let us copy this default view and create a file inside this. Now you can import this code, copy and paste. So we have the component inc, app footer and header. So let's include the app header and app footer. So now you need to work on with script. Here let's begin with importing. Import app header from, add a tilde, components folder /inc /app header view. Okay, now you can export default, open and close curly brace where you want. Then you can specify the name for this, like this page name is default. So default, and then your components. I have multiple components, so I'm going to use, okay, so app header, copy and paste this, app header, give comma, and same way you're going to work on with footer part. So let's copy and paste. Here we go. App footer, that's it. So now guys, let's see the output for this. So you don't need to worry about what's happening with this layout. It will automatically will be called for this index view page. Okay, so inside this we have not included the header and footer part from the component, but it will automatically call it. So now let's see the output for it. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, it's not loaded. So guys, it is just a catch error. You just need to reserve your npm run dev. So it sets that all your components, layouts, all the files. So just need to reserve and you will get the correct output. So let's just wait for it. So our application is compiled successfully, and now let's see. Perfect. So guys, we have successfully seen that how we have integrated the Navbar globally. Okay, so we have not written any code in our index page. So when you create other pages also, you don't need to include the Navbar in the pages. Done. So let's design that Navbar a little bit. So you can just make this BG white and give a shadow. Let's make this fluid to just container. Remove that fluid part. Okay, refresh. Done guys. So you can see that. Perfect. So guys, our navbar is designed. Let's get back, and I just need to manage few things. I don't need this form, and you can just give margin start auto, and here it moves to right side. So I just need to refresh. Perfect. So guys, in this video we have successfully learned about the component directory and our layouts directory, how to use these layouts and components in our NuxtJS website. So where we utilize that layouts and components using our global navbar. So guys, in this video, that's it. And let's see in next video with the new topic like creating other pages and its designs. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe, like and share.